No, this is not a New Year's resolution or anything like that. More like a hope or a wish, or better yet, a pipe dream for 2019. We're dreaming of a revival for West Indies cricket. If there is one team or group or entity in all of sports that I would personally love to see have a turnaround in 2019 is West Indies cricket. I'm not telling you that it will happen, but God knows, West Indies cricket fans suffer too long. We need a break in life. Especially people who remember when West Indies was West Indies and we used to beat everybody instead of now everybody are beat we. We need something to spin around West Indies cricket in 2019. Remember now, we are ranked at 8th in Test cricket. We barely qualified for the 50-over World Cup. We rank at number 9 in ODI cricket. Even in T20, where we are defending world champions, we slide down at number 7 on the rankings. We're hearing that a man named Richard Pybus will be the replacement for Stuart Law. I don't agree with another foreigner, this time an Englishman, coming to teach West Indians how to play cricket. But maybe that's our luck. And from the bottom of my heart again, we need some luck or some prayers or even some good obia to save West Indies cricket in 2019. Yeah, man, if it's even a good obia, man, winning again. West Indies again, winning again. West Indies again.